What do you do, B Squad?
Squad?
We're back with another video. So today, y'all, we are at the store and we're getting a few things for our movie night. So come along with us as we go to the store. Movie night. So yeah.
And chicken eye.
All right, stay tuned, y'all. Ooh, y'all beefing.
Shout on him.
Girl, let me see the items in your hands. Okay. What you got? Let me see your hands. Okay.
Krabby Patties. Nana, come here right now. I some Krabby Patties.
Oh, I see. All right, you guys. So when we made it back home, we ended up cooking dinner. As you can see, ended up making some pozole, some steak, with some mashed potatoes and broccoli, and then Sai wanted some hot dogs, fries, and broccoli. So that's what she ate, and then I ate the pozole. It was so good, y'all. But so we ended the night by watching Home Alone and eating our snacks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.